What's up guys, it's Pranav from Hightech. So guys, in this video we will be talking about Vivo Apex, which was a concept phone and soon it will get official. So let's get started. So before Vivo Apex, Vivo made a phone with inbuilt fingerprint scanner, and it hasn't gone for sale till now. But in MWC, Vivo have kept their concept phone known as Vivo Apex, and at that time they have said that this phone will not go for sale, and no, they are not thinking about that. So they have said that they are not thinking about the sale, or they have not kind of manufacturing this phone. This is just a concept and just to keep there in MWC. But after that they have said the Vivo Apex launch will happen in China on March 5th, and after that we know nothing about that phone, Vivo Apex. But I have managed to get some humors, or you can say leaks about Vivo Apex, and here are some leaks about Vivo Apex. So some key features of Vivo Apex is it is having 4000 mAh battery, and which is quite good for the phone. And after that it is having pop-up camera. Yeah, it will not have notch and I really like it. So it is having a pop-up camera, or you can say motorized camera, which will take 0.8 seconds to open. And yeah, it works pretty well, and it takes some time. So it is a new concept, so it will face some bugs, although it is a new and fresh technology which we are kind of seeing. On paper it looks pretty good, but in hands-on I must say we have to take a hands-on on that phone. Although the phone is looking pretty good and the pop-up camera is good imagination, or you can say good thought of keeping the camera in that pop-up area, because I don't like that notch or all that stuff, iPhone 10's notch. And yeah, the proximity sensor is in the screen. Yeah, the proximity sensor is in the screen, so you can use full screen. Yeah, I really like it. And the earpiece, yes, the earpiece also is present in the screen, and the screen is cleared. I mean, that's amazing. That's really great to see it, that they are bringing new innovation to us, and we really like it. So after that, let's talk about rear facing camera. The rear facing camera is dual camera, 12 megapixel plus 12 megapixel dual rear facing camera, and yeah, kind of good. And after that it will have inbuilt fingerprint scanner. Yes, in the last leaks, they have made the last phone of Vivo, you have seen, I have made a video on that, you can see that video also. In that phone they have kept a fingerprint scanner on some place in which you have to keep the thumb on only on that place, then it will unlock. But the bottom half, yes, the bottom half of the screen is for a fingerprint scanner. Just keep your finger on the screen and it will unlock. The new innovation is here. Yeah, we have to see it. The phone is looking amazing on paper and on screen, so we have to see it. I am really excited about the phone. Tell me in the comments, are you excited about the phone or not? I really like this concept of Vivo. And the great thing is it is having 3.5 mm jack. That's really amazing. Now let's talk about some storage. So it will have 4 GB of RAM and 64 GB of inbuilt storage. Normally we get this type of storage only, but I am really good with it because 4 GB is enough for me. So yeah, that's kind of it. Now let's talk about its processor. It will have Snapdragon 845 in it, the latest processor in the cage. Yeah, Snapdragon 845. So yeah, the phone is looking very good. I am really happy with the phone. And now let's talk about, it will have USB type C port, and that's fast charging. Yeah, it will have fast charging. So USB type C port means fast charging. Yeah, the phone looks great on screen and paper, and hands on will really look good. I'm bluffing till now. Although the phone looks very great, and I'm really excited about the phone. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. So if you like this video, don't forget to give it this video a like, and if you're not a part of the Hightech, don't forget to subscribe the channel, and we will grow more. So yeah, thanks guys, thanks for watching. It's been Pranav, and I'm signing out.
Survive.